I'm already out of breath and I ain't even trying no clothes yet. Whew.
Take down my walls. You know you got me standing so tall. With your love ain't gonna fall, because you see me right through it all. With your love.
What's up? Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, because if you hit the bell, then every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. Like, hello. Why would you not want to know? Why would you not want to know? My name is Shamoka Moline, or you can call me Shamoka, or you can call me Mocha. Whatever your preference is. That's me. Today I'm going to be doing my very first try-on haul. So, I like to shop, which, I mean, that's not a big secret. Who doesn't like to shop? Especially when I'm down, like, I just like to shop. So I've been hoarding these clothes so that I could do this video. Okay, some of the pieces I have worn already, but it's our secret. We don't have to talk about it. But a lot of them I haven't. A lot of them I waited so that I could show you, like, my best friends. So if you want to see this try-on haul that I have from Forever 21, Amazon, Ross, Burlington, and Walmart, then keep watching. I'm already out of breath and I ain't even trying no clothes yet. Whew. So, let's get started. I have one thing from Burlington, which is this jacket. And if you know me, you know I love a good jean jacket. Like, if I literally count the jean jackets in my closet, like, I have probably way more than I should. And some of them I've taken from my son, I can admit that too. But this one, I don't have a dark denim jacket, so I was really excited about this one. I wasn't really excited about the price. I mean, it was $16.99. That's not too bad, but... And it's oversized, which I truly love. So I did style this. If you can see all the little fuzzies, my bad. Like, all these lights just do not make it discreet. But I did style this on my Instagram. Well, kind of, sort of. I mean, I didn't really style it. I took a picture in it, but I'm really gonna style it. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, you should follow me on Instagram. We're best friends. Follow me. So I'm gonna style it soon. But yeah, I just really love it. Like, so cute, so cozy, so nice. So I was really excited about this. Then I have this shirt that I bought from Ross like ages ago. And when I say ages, I mean like months ago, that I just never wore, but it is super cute. And it was on clearance. And let me tell you, this is how long I've had it. Like, the price is like faded. Okay, so I'm gonna try this on so you can see what it looks like. So this is how this looks. It's really cute. I really like it. I'm going to really style this. Like, it's gonna be cute. It's gonna be cute. You might not see the vision now, but it's gonna be cute. So I haven't worn it yet. I wasn't really saving it for this video. I just haven't figured out how I wanted to style it yet. So like, sometimes I'll get clothes and they'll just be hanging around, and then like, out of nowhere, something will pop into my brain like, oh my God. And then I'll style it and it'll be the whole vision. So I think that's why I haven't really worn this yet. And plus I thought I was gonna have to take it in, but I don't think so anymore. But I really like this. And I think it comes off like a dark blue, but I think it's black and white. So, red lip. Yes, definitely, of course. So So this is this. Let me try to move this so you can see. So this is how it is. I really still feel like it could probably go in a little bit more so I could, but I don't know. We'll see. So this is the shirt that I got from Ross. Now I'm gonna show you what I got from Walmart. This is what I got from Walmart. This Freddie tee, like Freddie is my favorite, okay? Like Freddie could do no wrong in my eyes. And recently, y'all, I'm seriously out of breath. How many things have I tried on so far? Why am I out of breath? A girl that I work with had tagged me in a post, and it was like when your circle is small, but all y'all crazy. And it had Freddie, it had Jason, Michael Myers, and someone else. I can't really remember. But it also had Freddie. And so when she tagged me in it, tell me why I got a friend request from Freddy Krueger. Well, it says Fred Krueger, and it had his picture. I was like, listen, I'm gonna accept this. I'm gonna accept your request, but don't come in here starting no shit, cause I'm legit still scared of you. But I'm in love with him. So I got this. I might cut it though. I don't know how short I would be able to cut it because I want to keep all like the details on it. So we'll see. And then I got these pants. So I got these pants. Can you see them? They're like these ribbed, soft legging pants. And oh my gosh, these are like so comfy. I cannot wait to freaking style these. Like the material is like, it feels expensive. It feels really expensive. And I just love the way that they like hug onto my body. It's everything. That are really soft. And I really, really like them. Now we're gonna move on to Amazon. Because I got a shirt from Amazon. So let me show you that. So I got this shirt from Amazon. How cute, right? These pants I got from Ross, but I figured like when I seen the pants, I was like, ooh, they would go real cute with this shirt because it has the green stripe on the side. So I was like, wow, that would be really cute with some like open toe heels. And it comes in other colors also, so. And then it's like, you know, it gives you some space in the sleeves. The sleeves are like oversized, which is so comfy. It's like my favorite. So it's like not hugging your body, but it still accentuates your body. So like, it's a win-win.
Bye-bye.
So let me show you the stuff I got from Forever 21. Because I got quite a few things from Forever 21 because I was holding it out for y'all.
Oh.
Watch out. Don't pinch my skin. What you trying to say?
I'm pulling far back from you, man. Don't worry.
Oh my god. You trying to say I'm fat?
No, this is just too small. Devious, far devious.
First of all, it's not too small. Okay. So this is the first shirt that I got from Forever 21. This is so cute. Like, how cute is this shirt? Like, for real. It's cute. Especially if you don't got no boobs like me. Because I ain't got no boobs. Look how cute this shirt is. This is a denim shirt. And it zips up in the back. It's a little snug. But, you know, that's how it's supposed to fit. That is how we want it to fit. So, yeah. These are the type of shirts I live for because they're so like flowy and they're so cute. Like you could just throw this on and it's like comfortable. It's not like too restricted, you know? Like these are like my favorite type of shirts. So I got this one and I have already worn it twice. 2 times. So I got these biker shorts. These are cheetah print. These were $14.99. So these are the biker shorts. Can you see them? The print. Okay, get into the print. So I also got a pair of leggings and these are like gray stonewashed leggings. So these are how, so this is how these look. So let's try these on. This is how these look. And these were $14.99. I thought I got them on sale, but I didn't. But they are like really cute and comfy. So like, you know. And then while I have these on, I got this gray crop top sweatshirt. And this is how it looks. And I really freaking love the sleeves because it's like a parachute sleeve. So let me just show you how this looks really quick. So this is the sweater. Look at these sleeves. Like, I freaking love these sleeves. Like, this is what really sold me on this sweatshirt. Like, the sleeves, because it's just like cute. Like, how cute is this sweater? You like? I love it. Then I got this. How cute. And it just says, just a casual night out, you know. Nothing fancy. Nothing extravaganza. And this is how it fits on me. I'm 5'2", so it comes all the way down past my booty, my thighs. And usually shirts like this stop like at my hips because but this one goes all the way down and it fits like a regular t-shirt, and I love that. I love t-shirts like that. I love those for me. I also got this cute little crop top tank top, and it's so freaking soft. Like, oh my gosh, this feels like silk on your body, okay? Like silk. So this is how this looks. Cute. Feels good too. Like, I could see this with like a bomb like lavender lip color. Like, just wait till I style her. Oh, bra all in the camera. But yeah, this is how this looks. I got these jeans, and I freaking love these jeans because, for one, look at how wide the pant leg is. Like, oh my goodness, I freaking live. And so this does have the tag on it. $34.99, and I'm a size 28. It's like a size what, 6, 7. But yeah, so let me show you how these look on. I cannot, like, you don't understand. I cannot wait to really style these. Like, go somewhere to where I can wear these. Woo! It is over. Cute. Like, and the pant leg at the bottom is like wide, but these fit me so good. Again, I'm 5'2", so it's like perfect fit for me. And it is so hard finding good jeans that fit for me, that like fit me. And I love how they have like that detailing line going down. Like, yes, give her to me. Oof. Can you see? I also got this one piece, and this was $14.99, and I got this in a small. Again, I am short, so like these are kind of like iffy pieces for me because I don't know how they're going to fit. But I did get this in a small. I was almost tempted to get it in a medium, but I didn't. So I did style this. It is on my Instagram if you want to go check it out. And while you're there, just go ahead and follow me. Why not? Just go ahead, you're already there. Just click. I do apologize for not having like all of the price tags. Like, this is a fail. I have failed. I have let you down.
You have let me down.
And this is the last shirt I got, which I was sold on the color and the pattern. This is like a baby doll shirt. Like, it's so super cute, and it's also kind of cropped, but it also flares out at the bottom too. And it also has like those parachute sleeves, which is cute. And it's cinched right here at the bottom, so it does stop and it does cuff like around your wrist, which is really nice too. So this is the last shirt I'm gonna be showing you. Let's get into it. This is how this shirt looks. Again, a cute little baby doll shirt. It does have to show all my rolls on the side, but it does have this zipper, which is cute, and you can just zip it up Gives you a little bit more snatched in waist. Not really. But the illusion. It's all about the illusion. And you see the sleeves and you see how it stops like right there at the wrist. So I also got some shoes from Ego. I got 3 pairs of shoes from Ego. 2 look exactly the same because the first one I ordered I thought were the second ones that I ordered initially, but they weren't. So then I went back on the site and I saw that they had the ones that I thought I was ordering, and I went ahead and ordered those. So let me show you the shoes and then we are finito. Hold on. So these are the first ones that I got. These are really, really cute. Like when I saw these, I was like, give them to me, like right now. So these are just like a chocolate colored knotted open toe heel. And then in the back, it has like this gold detailing. If you can hear my dogs, I do apologize. And they have like this suede feel to them. Like these are so freaking cute. You cannot tell me these are not cute. Not too shabby, not too shabby. Again, super cute. But you know, this is how these look. So these are the shoes that I thought I was ordering, when in fact I was ordering these. So these are the shoes that I wanted. They're closed off, so they're like just a regular heel, closed-toed heel. These are the ones I got. It has like a little peep toe, like real small peep toe, but it still has open toe. And I was like, what? I didn't want those. But I just kept them because I like them too. And then I ended up ordering the other ones. And this is how they look. Cute. My feet ashy? They might be. And this is how these look. Cute. My feet look like some smushed chicken. So that was everything that I have been accumulating over the last couple of months. It's not like I've been like shopping my butt off. I have been accumulating these and just putting them to the side every time I got something new. Just putting it to the side because I knew I was gonna do this video. This was a struggle, okay? I didn't catch my breath. I tried not to eat all day because I was like, listen, woo! But still, you know, my body is a work in progress. A lot of this stuff I did buy in store. I am an in-store shopper. I like to go in the store. I like to feel, I like to touch, I like to stretch. All of that. That shirt from Amazon, that was just like a, I was ordering that on a wish and a prayer together, collectively combined. Thank goodness it did work out for me because I don't like to return stuff, and then I don't know how returning works with Amazon, but we did good. So again, I hope you did like this video. If you did like it, please make sure that you give me a thumbs up. That way I know to really consider trying to do more. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I do appreciate you if you watched this whole entire video and you struggled with me. We friends, we friends. Thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Peace. Snug. I have it on inside out. Give me a moment. Now back to our regularly. So these are just a chocolate covered, what? Girl, is you hungry?